Okay, it's a new day. I'm gonna get it finished today. You need to make sure that this is on a 90-degree angle towards the pump. Fuel pump is down here. I'll just show you guys here how I have the diesel line connected to the intake because they both need to stay cooler. And this is going to be the exhaust, and it's going to get bent out more because I don't want the heat from this to melt anything here. I also need to make sure wherever I attach it to is safe to have a little extra heat. Everything is finally done, except for the electrical. I'm gonna take a break, and that's next. Okay, the electrical. There's a piece to the pump. This is connected here, and fed through is the positive, and then the part that's gonna connect to my control. Okay, I'm supposed to hold OK and the down button. Okay, so it's supposed to be priming right now. This little thing shows that the pump's working. I'm going to go outside and make sure. Okay, I can actually hear the pump working. And I can see diesel is pulled to here. Oh yeah, you can see some coming in there, so it is priming. Yay! Once it's done priming, I can turn the heat on. There's a vent blowing in the heat. There's just enough room for me to put a cover in there just the way that I want. And there you have it. My complete diesel heater installation into my ambulance conversion. If I can do it, you can do it.